At Cosori, we believe that you can live life tastefully. And we believe you can do that and more with our new C700 Pro Professional Blender. Designed with a powerful 1500 watt motor, this blender cuts, crushes, and grinds nuts and produce to the perfect consistency while still retaining all of the vital nutrients in your foods. And unlike other blenders, the Cosori Professional Blender comes equipped with a variable speed control to easily whip up culinary creations. No more unnecessary button mashing. You can prepare a wide variety of foods in the 64-ounce container. Beat the summer heat with frosty treats like fruitful smoothies, creamy milkshakes, and naturally sweetened sorbets. Skip the stove when preparing warm soups for the cold season. The motor revs up to 30,000 RPM, heating up your ingredients as they blend, so that your soup is ready to serve once the blender stops running. Create healthy nut butters for you and the family to snack on, your very own spice mix to wow guests at dinner parties, and even nutrient-rich baby food for the little ones in your family. Our included recipe book is sure to help fire up your culinary creativity. Need it to go? Use the 27-ounce travel bottle so you can enjoy your fresh blends wherever your busy schedule takes you. We believe that a happy life is a healthy one, and the Cosori Professional Blender can help you live life tastefully.
For perfect results every time you blend, the Calphalon Auto Speed Blender automatically senses and adjusts power. A precise 10-speed control powers a dual-direction 6-point blade to pulverize in seconds. There are 4 convenient presets: smoothie, dip, milkshake, or frozen drink. Reverse and standard pulse give ultimate anti-jam control. Powerful motor, durable all-metal drive, and specially engineered jar deliver precise results. Calphalon Appliances.
Hi, my name is Fabrizio Botero, Executive Chef for Wehrman. If power is what you want in blenders, it's right here in the MX series. 3.5 horsepower. Powerful enough to do just about anything in a bar, in the kitchen, in the smoothie shop, just about anything you want. And the Extreme series has every possible configuration that you would need in a blender. Toggle switch, membrane control, timer. It comes with different jars from stainless steel to 48 ounce, and the newest jar of all, the Raptor, right here. Wait till you see what it can do. 3.5 horsepower will make this blender blast anything from ice crushing to margaritas to smoothies to coffee drink. Let me show you exactly how everything works. Okay, you thought ice crushing was easy? Not in any blender, but ours with the Raptor jar. Okay, we're gonna put some ice in here. And we're gonna blend it on high for 3 to 4 seconds. Wow, it's done, unbelievable. Okay. Take a look at that. Have you ever seen anything so powerful? The Raptor jar. Okay, you saw the ice, and that's why we call it the Raptor. It is so aggressive. It will do drinks, everything, literally in seconds. We have a 10 seconds timer here. I'm gonna do a strawberry daiquiri with a strawberry mix, some rum, a bucket full of ice. You think it can do it? Watch this. Even one more last ice cube. See? Didn't have to do anything. And now I'm going to have a fantastic drink. Fantastic drink. Look at this. It's like a gelato. It's so thick and gorgeous and beautiful. Voila. Mmm. Perfect. Perfect. And that was some extreme power. And talk about the power. What about the warranty? 3 years on the motor. 2 years parts and labor. That is what Wehrman does for you. Great blender series, the Extreme.